they gotta get through whatever light it is they're at. I don't even see it. Last. Got 146 miles. Yeah, so there's a gas station. Looks like where we went by it. Back there where we turned. Hey Google, gas station near me. Yes. General store. Yeah, there's a station somewhere around here, so I can't remember where it's at. According to this, we went by a gas station. We're back here where we turned. Huh? Yeah, I'm burned up. Yeah. Find a shady spot.
Grill. Oh, there's one gas pump. There's that blue building.
One. That's true, as long as you got gas at it. Do they have a lot in there? Did they? Oh, I see it. I gotta say, I was looking at my thing and showed a pump back here, or a pump on the map, and it looked like we passed it. I didn't see no pump. Yeah, I was thinking there. unfortunately, we're really kind of dressed for Alaska weather, and here we are in Montana burning up with our winter riding gear, more or less. Didn't bring any summer riding gear, didn't think I'd need it. Anyway, day 9, Billings, Montana.